If you've been grilling long enough, it's bound to happen. Someone walks out with a tray of food and says, "Since you've got the grill going, can you just throw this on too?" Babe, I told you I was grilling ribs today. What's all this stuff you done brought out here? All this randomness. Babe, my fire's not even set up for that. We've talked about this. Come on now. The problem is, that tray they're bringing out has nothing to do with how your fire is set up. If your fire is built for direct heat and high temp searing, delicate foods like fish or some veggies don't stand a chance. They're gonna burn, split, or dry out fast. You don't just throw food on the grill and hope for the best. You plan the cook and you build the fire with that plan in mind. If you're doing steaks, you might be going direct heat. Ribs, you might be going low and slow with the safe zone. And don't forget about veggies, because you better have a cooler area set up. The point is, every food needs its own fire strategy. When you just toss random food on the grill without considering the fire setup, you're not just risking burnt food. You can mess up everything already on the grill. The temperatures shift, flare-ups happen, and suddenly nothing's cooking the way it should. The fire was balanced when you started. Now it's overloaded. The steaks lose their sear, the salmon is steaming, and those ribs, they're drying out while you're trying to get a handle on what's going on. You can't just throw anything and everything on the grill at the same time and expect it all to work out. Every fire has a purpose and every zone has a job. To avoid problems, check your fire setup first. Make sure that tray of food actually fits the way your fire is built. When your setup matches your menu, everything goes smoother and your food turns out much better. If you want to get better at planning your fire and cooking with control, grab our fire management guide. It'll show you how to build the right fire for any food, manage heat like a pro, and avoid the mistakes that ruin good cooks. The link is in the description. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.